Alright, in this haircut we will be cutting a graduated bob. You can see I'm taking a center section down the middle of the back, and I'm pushing the left side away, clipping it away, and we're going to address the graduation on the right side first. So I've got a 45-degree angled section. You can see where it's longer by the occipital bone and as short as my fingers can take it down by the neck. I'm going to take kind of similar like to a pizza or a pie type sections where I just work my way up the head, taking sections and then combing them down to that previous section and slightly lifting my fingers to keep that graduation going. So as you work your way up the head, one thing to be conscientious of is you're lifting your fingers higher by the occipital bone, but you're hardly lifting when you get to by the ear. And the reason for that is, as the graduation works its way towards the front, it becomes a bob on the sides, hence why they call it a graduated bob. And bobs are one length, so the graduation's in the back, the bob is in the front, and you want to have that graduation simply melt, simply blend into the one length trim in the front. So that is why we lift in the back, and as we work our way towards the front, our fingers lift less and less to create more of a one length shape as we get to the front of the face. So I'm going to continue working the graduation on the right side, and once I'm all done on the right side, we will do the left side. So now that I've completed cutting the one length on the right side, basically the graduated bob on the right side, it is now time to cut the graduated bob on the left side. So starting with the back, which is the graduated part, versus the front, which is the one length part, I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on the other side. So not a whole lot to explain here, but basically keep in mind lifting more at the occipital bone, lifting less as we get closer to the ear. Alright, so now we've got the hair all dry. It is time to cut the bangs. And basically I'm just combing the hair down and cutting the bangs. And we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out that graduated bob, the graduation in the back, flowing into a one length trim on the front. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for watching.